one of the most difficult tricks in Ukrainian folk dance, Sklepka. This is a dynamic backward jump onto your hands, where you support your body with straight legs, and then land back into prisadka, a deep squat. But before you even try this trick, please make sure to warm up properly, especially your back and your wrists. This move puts a lot of pressure on those areas, and proper preparation is key to staying safe. Step 1. Controlled leg lift. Start by leaning on your hands and raising one leg straight up. Then return it back down. This helps you get used to the position and control the movement. Step 2. Add momentum. Now do the same movement, but this time throw the leg out with some energy. This builds the motion you will need for the full jump. Step 3. Two-leg jump attempt. Keep both arms firmly on the floor, and now try to raise both legs. It's totally okay if you fall a few times. In fact, it's expected. The goal is to lose the fear and trust your body. Keep focusing on throwing your legs upward, not just jumping back. Step 4. Practice with support. For better understanding of how your body should behave, find 1 or 2 bars or stable chairs and try the trick using them for support. And remember, don't focus on jumping back. You should be jumping away from yourself, propelling your body outward and upward. Keep practicing, stay patient, and always listen to your body. With time and effort, you will master this impressive move. See you in the next lesson.